Stop searching. This fixes all Windows 11 audio issues. Step 1. Reset all audio settings. Click the search bar. Type Sound. Click Sound Mixer Options. Click the Reset button. This option resets all sound devices and volume levels for every app on your Windows 11 PC to their original factory settings. Step 2. Reinstall the audio driver. Click the search bar. Type Device Manager. Click Device Manager. Click the arrow next to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Double-click the audio driver. Click the Uninstall button. Click the Uninstall button. Restart your PC. Windows 11 will automatically detect the missing hardware during the reboot and attempt to install a fresh, generic driver from the Microsoft Update catalog. Step 3. Restart audio services. Click the search bar. Type Services. Click Services. Scroll down and right-click Windows Audio. Click Stop. Restart a service again. Double-click the service name. Click Start. And click OK button. Step 4. Run the audio troubleshooter. Click the search bar. Type Sound. Click Manage Output Sound Devices. Scroll down. Select an option from the Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems section. Click Output Devices if you're having trouble hearing sound through speakers or headphones. Click Input Devices if you're having trouble using a microphone or recording device. Step 5. Reset individual audio devices. Click the search bar. Type Sound. Click Manage Output Sound Devices. Scroll down. Click More Sound Settings. Click the Speakers. Select Properties. Click the Advanced tab. Click the Restore Defaults button. Click Apply and then click OK. Step 6. Reset Windows sounds to default. Click the search bar. Type Sound. Click Manage Output Sound Devices. Scroll down. Click More Sound Settings. Click the Sound tab. Click the Sound Scheme drop-down menu and select Windows Default. Click OK to save your changes. Applying these steps fix your no sound on Windows 11.